So here is the Arduino guitar tuner. I got an Arduino Uno. This is an active buzzer, shift register, some resistors, 7-segment display, and 5 buttons. So pretty much the idea is you press the button, one of these buttons, right over there. Yeah, cool. One of these buttons, and it should display the note it's going to play and play it. Since I only have 5 buttons, I account for that by holding down the E button. So this is the E button right here. If you hold it down as opposed to just clicking it, then the system will recognize that you want a high E instead of a low E. If you just press it once, it should be the low E. Anyway, so here's a quick example. So this is E, A, D. So G. So let's do an A. So if I just press the A button, so while it doesn't sound so pretty because of the nature of the buzzer itself, it actually does work for tuning guitar. I've used it myself a couple times. You just need to match the pitch to the pitch of the buzzer. Here's a high E. So the high E is indicated by this little decimal point right there being illuminated. If you want the low E, you just press it. Lower E, no decimal point.